Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with First Direct Review My Usage Experience. First Direct Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to manage and analyze online reviews across multiple platforms. Its main purpose is to help businesses monitor their online reputation and identify areas for improvement. Key features likely include review aggregation, sentiment analysis, and potentially response management tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a streamlined solution for businesses to track and respond to customer feedback. They highlight ease of use and claim comprehensive reporting. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly stated on their website, but based on their marketing, it seems geared toward small to medium-sized businesses. Availability is likely based on the platforms they integrate with. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using First Direct Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and straightforward, and their onboarding tutorial was really helpful. The interface itself is clean and intuitive. I quickly learned how to navigate between different dashboards showing review summaries, sentiment scores, and individual reviews. I particularly liked the way they visually represented negative feedback. It made identifying problem areas much easier. The performance was excellent, the data updated regularly and accurately. I had a quick question about setting up automated responses, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, very responsive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the detailed sentiment analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing reviews on my phone would be much more convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with First Direct Review My Usage Experience. It generally met my needs and helped me proactively address customer concerns. That's my overview of First Direct Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.